D1 himself, D1. Welcome to the lecture. Welcome to the lecture. Welcome to the lecture.
Thank you.
How is you?
Me is fine, and you?
How is your ministry?
The ministry is moving.
So tell me till now, you see the convince people say you be car owner.
Yes, sir. Car owner. With this regime.
Yes, imagine say that kind of truth. But who be the man we go give car get
out of excitement. You never see where.
Oh. You don't see what
I'll come back motor because say,
you know
you have to follow me home today. I have to follow him home today. Say, go and drop your things in the car. Lagos guess where we
But again, who they go try that thing with the motor go off for road now. Don't want to forget it. Just press one button like this. The car go.
You don't know Lagos guys can be winch. That girl go, that car go. You never see any car stop for road.
You say Lagos girls they be waiting.
Nice girls. They go just start with the motor stop. Ngozi,
I got you.
go bedroom. That calabash way down the bed. Every pour water. Wear red cloth there inside and pour water inside. Wait. Come down now. Make you shout Kiario. FKH. AKJ. Shout them 3 times. You don't do them? Okay, hold on.
Africa.
They come. They are father.
So you're trying to say.
Nigeria Lagos girls.
So you say Lagos girls, I don't read.
See, guess what they say for Oniru? First time, fear them. They can do that thing.
They do.
No, it's talking from. Come on.
I know it. Oniru girls. Oniru.
They do why Oniro?
Hey!
They've shown me.
Ask Kesolo. Kesolo know what I'm talking about. Kesolo knows what I'm talking about. Kesolo is my guy.
Okay, let's know what we are talking about. Can you explain?
Kesolo is my guy. I know how we run things. You know, you
how
don't see Kesolo.
that's why they do them.
You don't see Kesolo today.
I don't have
It is a point to a button in cloth, reach neck, and
Wear green shirt.
wear green shirt. Like no safety.
Green striped shirt.
Is there number stripe shirt?
They never playing. You know they playing.
You know they play. No. Anyway, welcome to the show today. We get D1 inside the studio. Officially make we use to take the happy birthday to the short black guy himself, M.I. Abaga. Happy birthday to M.I. Happy birthday, M.I.
Now you call him the short black guy.
Happy birthday, M.I.
black guy.
Happy birthday,
If I-
M.I.
Mr. Incredible.
Happy birthday,
If I add on with hips.
I see
M.I.
you.
get hips.
M.I. I see you.
Anyway, D1, tell us about them. Tell us your stage name. What is your real name? This is how they answer D1.
Maybe in a Dario, maybe in a
Dayo.
Oh, no.
Dayo.
It's not correct now. No, you don't tell us
My name
before.
is Dayo.
Now you call yourself. How Dayo become D?
Now, D, you not go school.
D.
You got
Spell
Dayo.
D-E-E.
Oh, I spell Dayo. Spell Dayo.
D-I-O.
Oh, start up. What is start up?
D.
Letter D. The
Eh,
letter D.
So, D1.
It can also mean Dare.
Another D, then they enter your mind.
Ah.
Oh, devil.
I know
Or demon.
only good things with D.
Hey, I said, I'm not devil. I don't want to. Hey! I want to get in the wicked and bad. Hey!
Very good.
Hey! I like good shootings. Anyway, tell us why you choose the name D1?
D1. D1 is what they've been calling me in school. They don't call me
Which school?
Covenant.
Why?
How did you do
All of you now, I don't know. I'm afraid where everybody where Covenant.
And
Now just I go school there.
Covenant
Even like
children.
people go there to discover that
Go
talent.
lounge. Go
Wait.
lounge.
How much you pay them pay for school fees?
That time.
That time now
Like
win.
600 and something.
You in Papa. Wait, your Papa, your Papa pays 600 and something thousand for school fees. What do you study for school?
Architecture.
He can't finish school. Your Papa can't leave you. He can't do comedy. Abi? Now you come to that part. You know, say everybody, most of the girls will go Covenant University. They are girls.
What's in the bin?
Waiting to
I
our
wanna
girls.
dance in the wicked and bad. Man is back. Covenant girls.
But you know, see, now you know about
go
girls.
first
You know Niru girls. You know.
And they hear G's, then they tell me. Not be say
who be
I
them?
I know
When they
them
tell you?
face to
Okay,
face.
okay,
Who
now
be them wey dey
gist.
tell you?
No, then they give me these G's. No, see,
Who
as I
dey give
did,
you-
as
who
I
dey
did
give
here
you
so
the
now.
gist, nigga?
Wait now, as I did here so now, before we come out, when I open my phone,
Yeah,
you go
pack
begin
out.
see reporting. One girl now from Babcock girls, don't come up. No, they don't take over Covenant. Before na Covenant girls, they run things.
So now, now,
Now na Babcock.
They don't become number one
They don't become number one and they're
for the Premier League.
so wait,
Babcock.
wait now. So
Babcock.
Ngwanu,
Wait,
They don't
I
hear-
don't.
So where all
I
these
just-
Uniport girls and Unilag girls dey?
You need like good. They know they you know say they know they hustle. You know say before
Unizik.
see, man tell you man give una gist now. You know say if school day holiday, if school maybe strike happen for school, people no they fear say it's a Unilag. No. People they fear more Babcock girls now.
Okay.
So they just want to I wanna get in the wake of the sun. Finish.
And how you take know this kind?
Getting his
With such
information.
precision.
Yes.
Such
Let me tell you
precision.
something. You see,
You gonna use hand
If you
gesture.
don't do-
You
hand
gonna
gesture,
use
everything.
everything.
if you don't
Do
do
you
your
sing
research,
joint?
you don't know.
Which time you get to do all this research?
I know, not be me. At the end of the day, not be me. They do am. People did it. Sorry, do.
Does.
Do it for me. Do it for me.
They do.
Are you with me?
I am not with you.
Anyway, why you leave architecture go comedy?
Well, I just
If na me be your papa,
go flog me.
Yeah.
If
After
not you.
spending- there's no point now. This kind of they train them
After,
again.
if
now.
na me be you, I would rather use the dog, the money buy dog.
Yeah. No, but the thing is, where your heart is, your treasure is basically. So when I did school, that even though when I did school, they do architecture and everything, they make people laugh.
You be one study architecture now just say now sometimes confused. You want read something, they say no, they offer you this one.
No,
How
I've
for
been
do
one.
now?
I've been one actually. No, well, you have a point because my papa actually studied me into architecture. Yes, there is a this guy. You are good with technical drawing. You can do this. I couldn't feel say, and say I young that time now. Couldn't feel say I sabi do am. But then it was. It made sense. And now the thing is, architecture they help me in wetin I dey do.
How?
Yeah, because
You dey
before
draw
you
Architect-
before
no,
you
house
no, they
for
do.
before you
Construct.
construct a building, you go check them well, do site survey, you go check the history, you go get concept, idea, and then it helps me when I dey state too. That's why, I know this thing, I know if you explain, because now 4 years I used to study this thing, so I can't explain it like that.
Hey! So you don't go fit explain 4 years to
just
us.
like that.
Hey,
You go-
so cool, Papa. See, no, say where time go. Woo! Man, they can both offend. They do have
not
so
Now
far.
this guy is like, ooh, 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 ooh. I say shut up for that language.
Woo!
And I-
I-
okay, but listen to that dog one of the eat. Now they open a shop like this.
Woo, woo, woo.
Okay, now.
Woo. No, get it. Aboso. Mgbe tem ni dia ru no fie no.
Igbo kwenu.
Guardian. Tem ni dia ru no. Da.
Igbo kwenu. Hey, Akwa Ibom.
If I cook that dog meat for you now, Baba say, I didn't them you bong them. Anam them. Baba so would you
No, dog sweet. Dog sweet.
I'm
Forget
telling
that
you
thing.
no. I cook dog for you, I cook snake plus antelope and monkey. Mama say now you asote no like bush meat platter. You don't bush meat platter with unripe plantain. He plays some very soft sweet music. Then Pami they have to give them ma warm.
Just give me hot dog, I'll be fine.
Don't try
Who
also.
wanna they behave way they behave because every animal they say you. All the animals they say your
Antelope,
body.
monkey, snake, dog. I say yeah, it safe. I want a small cat. To make the blend super.
Cat.
That's small one, no?
You know what? No, I said on Tontogodo because their meat is
Okay,
I don't
cat
very
na like-
yes. Odo.
Wow, you want sweet dog, sweet catfish.
Well,
You know you want sweet.
You never chop catfish.
God forbid.
You never chop catfish.
Oh, cat-
Na cat and fish.
No, fish, they know that catfish, they different now. Fish,
No,
na
no,
fish.
what's in the answer?
Hot
You
dog.
said,
But you like hot dog.
no.
I heard you people like hot dog.
I know some people like us. Me, me, I
You
don't
like
prefer-
hot dog?
I don't like
You
it.
don't like hot
You
dog.
don't like hot dog?
I like my monkey. I like my antelope. I like my snake and my dog meat.
Dog.
You throw on red plantain. You know, when you wash it down with
Anyway,
Pami.
Diwa, make I ask you again quickly.
Okay.
Now, but what make you leave comedy? I say comedy. Make you
Architecture
it make you give you mind. Leave architecture
After
fully.
studying for 4
After studying
years.
for 4 years. Go, your
You are
plan
a
give you
wicked
wahala.
somebody.
You wicked though.
Funny enough, he not give
4 years of school.
he
you
don't
are
give me
wicked.
wahala. No, he
you
don't-
are if you're supposed to use broom.
he not give me wahala. The thing is, he just figured out. He asked me what question. Are you sure you want to do this?
But why you not enter that in the first place now? Which kind?
Yeah, that's the thing. I know this.
Jangalova.
I wasn't.
You now know.
You know, say self-discovery now. It takes time.
And
200
probably
level.
follow.
I dey fool myself for class.
get
People dey say you're
architecture.
good though, you're fun, and people deceive me actually, sha. Because some of all those friends, but they helped me too. You know,
They
say
look at
people,
like say
they
this is a
come meet
serious
you say,
person.
come, basketball no funny. Funny pass up. If you finish school,
For those company will kill
they
you.
could kill your career.
They could kill you.
See, AY never make me laugh before. I give you 6 months after school. Bros, it only 6 years. I dey tell you. You know, but the thing is, no regrets. Because actually, at the least, it's something I love. It comes out easily. So, I mean, why not?
We know say this glass cost, but come on now. We know
Yeah,
say it
just,
cost. We don't see and
yeah.
say, you know, it's not the one you buy inside a bum.
But as you come out now, your papa not worry you say why you not do architecture. You
You know,
just drop.
you not worry me. I'm good enough. Another thing is, my family is in the UK. So, they get that
No,
So
exposure.
be like say that white child.
Now he's
a wild animal.
He's a wild animal. He's being his own.
So they
he's
are-
a prodigal son.
Yes, it's in the bush.
So they are just you know, that side. Even when I go there, they do some small comedy and stuff. You know.
For
so.
them.
Yes, now.
For family gathering.
No, not be for family or for Oyibo people.
Okay.
Ah.
Now your jokes for you people they different from our own. The jokes for you.
But what you just need to just speak in good English. Just communicate well. That's it basically. We are very good here, but our content is still local
Not
because
true.
of our approach.
Yes. That why if you check most of our comedians, we did very
But
good.
you know if you talk some kind
No
of funny
shade.
joke for proper English now.
No, now they tell you, now be the funny thing.
Anyway,
If you
talk
sabi
your
speak if you sabi speak proper English,
Yeah.
you go still pass the message.
Sometimes better.
No, that was
Sometimes
how,
even
that's
better.
how I was going
Yeah.
there.
So
No.
the power, sorry.
The
No, because
chicken.
there are ways to express this English. You don't express how you
No,
say.
but you know, it gets some materials when they say you go think you go think some materials go dey properly put in English.
it. Yeah.
Pass.
Yes,
Yeah.
pass speech.
Yeah.
Take it or leave it. Some materials go dey properly put.
Oh, you know, say we like local thing. We like
Na im make
Yeah,
some of
because
us
they do themselves. You know, say we're
some
still.
of our you know clearly how you go take say Akporo Ronaldo go America go crack joke for English.
Exactly. Because
if you
his
don't-
style is.
His style is rah. But it's in
He says he's mad.
You understand? So the man was not going. The pastor now said, "Hold your hand together," and the man said, "Are you right?"
Go dey concern.
You understand? They go dey concern. But not be all of them. Some of them, when they switch enter pidgin, they go cheer.
Yeah.
But when he said they made them speak this thing for English. Anyway,
Background. Background.
remember watch one of the videos from D1, one of his skits, and then from there we will go break. When we come back, we'll come inside the studio. We'll come back.
Yeah.
That you will still get D1, the comedian of this country. But the see, if we don't come back, we don't need music, you might see the them.
Not be Kevin Little singer. Now it's a Sanji Paro now.
Where you did this weekend?
Where I dey?
Last weekend, we passed. This last weekend. This last weekend, where you been?
No, I follow you go Abuja now. You don't forget. No, me and you jam Mr. Easy.
Anyway,
Who was tempted to? Okay.
What are you key into the spirit?
I got open. Maybe I begin the call us to take us up to D1. Now, D1, what will ask you? Waiting for that thing to show you. Apart from those people where they are school, where they say funny pass basketball, funny pass anywhere. Waiting be the inspiration where you get to enter comedy.
Come enter the spontaneity when you
Spontaneity
enter.
when you come with
You know
motto.
fear say people go dey. People wear stand gidigba. Because that thing, it fierce now.
Yes, now.
That the Baba
One for you.
You can eat up.
Ah!
Pick any
I say
one.
it tight. It trend.
Which Which word do you pick?
I don't say I pick Fashola. I pick, but for the final, I get one thing where I pick on a statement. They say I picked NCC $1 billion fine versus MTN. I just weak say, what is this? Why? Why people do like this? But somehow I just found my way around it.
No be architecture you study.
Abi,
Architecture and for your mind.
just construct.
Let's be the first word we pick for that spontaneity.
The first word, I don't remember now. I don't remember. See,
I
at that
remember the words we pick. And
yes, I pick Fashola now. No, I don't remember the material.
You don't
see
PSA.
at that time, just once you just pick it, you just talk on the spot.
As in
And people don't say you were good. But
you don't remember.
I don't remember.
The fire and
Just to talk, move to the next thing, just do. But I can't even remember now. I need to even go get the video. I'm telling you.
So, but now, if you give Katim right
Yes,
words now,
so wait.
Katim, where that Bible? Wait, I think of. He did beg me. Give her words, make she do spontaneity.
Nightlife.
No, nightlife.
Who say nightlife?
Okay, so this is what we want.
That's it. No, but wait, this is the thing. I think because of the fact that
Wait.
that competition, maybe because of say car dey involved, side, yeah. We don't look at. I know say we are not. They pay me per month. So as Ali Baba say, go pay.
Oh, they go pay calorie.
That's on the month, for a year. And I'm contesting again too.
So continue your salary.
No, but then, you just think of, and then the shame. You face a lot of people, they look at
And you
yes. I mean, no, but at that time, I say Nigerians, our mind is
From Lucky, good evening.
lie.
Jessica. Yeah, continue.
Nigerians, even the contestants, all the best, though. may the best person win.
Meanwhile, nothing.
For their mind, they do see. You know? Not be here, people they pray and just everybody serve the
How many?
It was a lot. But then in the end, now 12 people now qualify go 1st of January. It was about 500. A lot of people. See people where they.
You shocked when you win. You expect them, or you don't expect them.
To be honest, I expected it. Yeah? To be honest,
Why?
How?
Somehow I expected because I don't look let's say I day my house like how many days. You know that the rehearsal what they do because of sometimes we're running one comedy club at GRA, so we just tell everybody make a right topic we do them for there. So the rehearsal I don't rehearse. That time, this time last time you tell me this thing, you say make I go for this year. You know, but I was on fire that time. Yes, because you just look at you look carpet, you just say but I just need to be.
Mama Osas, good evening.
Because you don't rehearse, so the confidence from that.
Good evening.
Mommy Osas, how now?
Mommy or start up independence. We don't even see rice or chicken. Nothing from you. It's okay.
Or crayfish.
Can they do collector from me for gate?
Me and you. You sure say not be case solo you give? You sure say not be case solo you give?
Now you.
No,
Mama Osas, how you there now? We get D1 in the
Yeah,
studio.
multicolor. Now they see so I care for checkpoint.
Oh, you see D1 for checkpoint, Abi?
Yes, so wait, one life was that.
It won't crap you just die.
Okay.
So why they come up from our way they laugh?
Yeah.
Mama Osas, if they collect money, how much you think give them?
Yes, I use all the banks. Even Ricardo.
I want to give her something to make it clap for me so. But yeah.
He might not sleep.
Don't sound well.
Give me the topic, Mama Osas.
Mama Osas, give her the topic.
I said but yeah, make it say that one clap joke.
Bob, give it.
But yeah. Let me tell you. But yeah.
Bostia. Where is the Bostia, Mama Osas? Oh, you are so okay. Oh, yeah, now, every call. Becky use La Sabia. Bostia, now La Sabia reduce now. Bostia.
wear where you no go wear, you no get any hand. Drop it like this.
Oh, wait, this is what you wear so. Strapless. Oh. You know like they always sell every time. You don't sell from girls every time now. Strapless.
Oh, put the whole this thing. Nigeria go need them to hold our economy. You know,
End of this
make our naira no problem.
Hello, Naya, good evening.
End of this.
Naya, you don't tell. Where you go?
Good evening, my darling. Now.
You're not missing me. You're not missing me. For me, I'll stop missing you.
Wait, Naya. If we don't miss you, why we go say where you go?
Oh, I miss you back.
You will not make happy if you continue like this.
Yes. In this bad behavior.
It's Bash that made me not to be calling. He's not picking up the call.
Bash.
Yes.
Big Bash not a pick your call.
Big Bash plus Chapali.
The cute one.
The cute one. We have to bash. The cute one and
The
the
cute
number one.
one and the number one. Now we get.
Big Bash.
You know they pick your call, okay? No.
You know tell them who you be.
Mix with Chapali, the both of them. Two of them together, join together.
Oh, no worry, no.
Yeah, maybe they're not there with them.
Naya, their body, maybe they never chop that night.
Okay.
Yes.
Or maybe Shapali sit down on because you know the Shapali pop.
That's why it's Kalama Bush.
D1.
Congratulations, D1.
Thank you, Nyanya.
Yes, I have seen some of your work.
Thank you.
So, and just give him your best. You know, don't be carried away by the fame.
And by the girls.
Make sure you work, and period. The most girls now are reception that they look for now. So you better calm down and do your
Yes.
work properly so that you attain that greater height that you want to attain.
Thank you very much, Nyanya.
Okay. Nedu,
Naya,
good night.
good night.
Yeah, good
You're
night.
looking so beautiful today. Oh my God. Oh, easy. How you doing?
Easy.
Wait, now
Kadim now.
Uh-huh.
Kadim now.
We don't think it.
I call your name. Na Kadim now.
His name is not Kasim. Leave him.
you will not make heaven, Naya.
She has made heaven. She has mansion
I will make sure you don't.
in heaven. She did cheering.
Good night.
Nice, yeah.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Una see that material where Mama Usas drop. How D1 take it up. Now what if make a win? But what if make it say go win? Okay, say you do rehearsal.
The rehearsal was not here, but then you know I just
So the
prayed.
others going to do rehearsal or what?
And the thing I say, I just felt I was doing, I was already doing this thing before the competition.
You already they're doing it.
No, I was doing comedy club for 2 years. Every Wednesday, when my papa and I say, okay, we go there, stay 3 hours. So we don't day, but
Ginger.
yes.
Today.
So we don't.
Ginger don't drop.
They don't drop.
don't
The comedy club that won't stop, but we'll start again. So
For the same place
So
now.
now
For the
family
same
club
place.
they help you.
that time, yeah, it was. I mean, when you practice every time, it makes perfect. That was it, basically.
But the question I go ask now, after you win that spontaneity like this, where spontaneity cause spontaneity, girls to follow you, what girls follow you?
They follow one. Sorry,
That's a
girls.
wife.
No. This is all sort of people, young, old.
Medium.
Yes, they follow. But
Man,
then,
water self will join.
yes, so two marine follow me.
Follow come one.
But the thing is, you have to be very wise. I think when you climb up is scary.
It is very
You be last born or what's the number?
Firstborn. As you are like this, you can't. Not everybody. You have to be very careful. So you'll be public figure now. So it's just you can't compare your life now to that time.
No,
Everybody, you screen them. Say with this.
Yes,
You know that
good
kind of-
evening.
Okay, so
How are you?
subconsciously.
Exactly.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. My name is Grace. I'm calling from Delta State.
Yeah, good evening. How is you?
I'm fine, thank you. Kathy, good evening.
Good evening.
What did they sweet you now?
Oh God, thank God, oh God, thank God. D1,
Ma,
congratulations. I love your videos.
thank you.
Oh, they are nice.
Thank you.
Grace.
Kathy, Nedu, great.
Hey, Grace, are you okay?
listening?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, good evening.
Good evening.
Did you think that was good at your DJ stuff, you know?
For your in video. Hey,
Nah, easy beat cause this problem.
Nah,
You know,
easy.
see as they do I love you. They do fire.
Easy, Grace, your love is fire. Oh, yeah.
I want to invite Grace.
Oh, yeah.
D1 get song where they release very soon. They look for video vixens.
Hey.
Andy from Kwara, good evening.
No, you go do video now, send them.
Your TV they too loud, Andy.
Hello, okay.
Reduce your TV volume now.
Hello, can you do?
Reduce your TV volume before.
You change the voice because now man.
Reduce your TV volume, sir.
Good evening. How is you?
I did very
Bye
fine.
bye. Good
Good
night.
night.
Talk to. Bye bye.
Una know the year word.
Not the year word. Anytime we now call us. Reduction your TV volume.
Straight up.
Person tell me
Hey,
say
na
that
But
for
I've been saying that thing for years. Why people
I don't know.
Now person tell me that thing for weekend. Tell me say he don't dey hear this thing.
For
He use it
years,
years.
Some of the sentence people
Say
when they
she
do that
don't
thing.
tire.
Why?
I say now why we be like this in this country now?
Yeah.
No, seriously. Now, what make
So
our
are you
economy?
saying that we know the year word because our
No,
No, but
we know the year.
we know the hour because of our leader. Some of
We know the year. We know the year. Oh, we know the
you are
year.
now you hey.
No.
Don't hear something. Come on, drive by yourself, cross roundabout. Somebody need to come down from the motor.
Hey!
Say,
Hey!
wait, come.
Make I
You
talk this
stay,
one.
wait.
May I talk this
This
one?
one, they pay
This
you.
one, they annoy me.
easy.
It annoy me, I swear. Right. Hey, you go don't see him. You go don't see him.
Yes.
For flight attendants go open mouth say switch off your handsets. Your mobile devices, some buffoons. They no go switch off their phone. They go just put up for flight mode. You don't change the fact say your phone be on. Offer.
They don't understand that that thing, they affect.
They affect flights now.
They don't
It
understand
affect
it.
flight. You don't know understand.
They affect flights.
The man,
What's the jam signal?
No, you know, now until
Now if you come beyond this China phone,
hey, if you come to China for a while, I don't know because I dey come from Abuja yesterday morning. The man who sit there near me, he hold iPad, he hold normal phone. The switch off your phones and say for those when we say get this Galaxy Note 7, they don't NCCA don't say make everybody if you can't enter flight off am. This man hear am. I don't first I sit down.
Papa.
Before they talk, I don't off my own two phones.
people, papa.
So the man he can't open the iPad, can't check email, can't close am, drop out for that thing, can't carry in phone way he hold, scrum, computer for flight mode, put am. And later upon the flight, I say, Oga, off your phone now. I say, can you look me? I say, yes, Oga, off your phone. Did you hear when they said they should off phones? No. Stop it. I said, Oga, I will not stop it. Like, I will not stop it.
yes, now off your phone. This thing don't do me before. The guy called and say, I will forget what goes up must come down. I say, okay, not this flight.
All this flight.
Hello, good evening.
You can go up with only you. Come
How
down.
is you?
Hello,
How are now?
I know.
Talk to us. We get D1 inside studio. If I.
Oh, no.
This is really fine. These are bad boys.
Congratulations,
Oh, but not LD. D1. Market don't for press LD. This one market still there place.
Kati,
Ma,
how you doing, huh?
to me, yo.
It don't come finish, Abi.
Recession.
So therefore, I beg, if you don't do this way to talk, off your phone. You know go just off.
And you know, say, as plane don't land, tire reach ground, you go hear that Nokia, that sound.
Now the Nigerians when flights land, they come.
Okay.
As flight they land, they on phone.
It's because
They don't expect it.
some when they put a land, Igbo men.
Wonderful.
So I can go meet the pilot.
That was good.
Give am money, say, if you give am money, say,
Pilot! In your PCs. Yeah, the way you are nine this, you are nyanya. Hello, good evening. Oshe. Answer your TV. Reduce.
Jesus. Also, we just hear.
Also, we just dey talk this thing before you talk. Say, reduce your TV volume. We dey talk am before una call. Reduce TV volume now.
Hello, ladies.
Hey, no, not hello anything. Not hello me.
My TV don't go there now.
Hey, talk. How are you?
I'm fine.
But you know the jam now.
No, the TV don't go down. Increase the volume now.
Increase your volume now.
Are you with the man?
I'm not with you
No,
anything.
nobody's with you tonight. Also, go pick on you. Don't do
What?
Sir.
That's the way you try. Don't try for real life.
That's the way you try. Don't try for area.
The way they give your car key to guess what you don't do.
That way you give your car key for guess what you don't do.
Don't try for real life.
Don't try for area, I beg. God catch you now.
You said, but they hear yourself.
You gonna hear yourself.
I think that's the solution.
Yeah.
Don't you reply them.
But they yes. But they hear yourself.
Hello, good evening, Biko. Hello?
Hello.
Talk quick now.
No.
Let's enter that junk fire.
Yes.
Now, you want quickly tell us you get any what are the plans where you get? I mean,
After spontaneity.
after
Because sometimes
spontaneity.
some people feel not expect. You know, say sometimes they just stay in that euphoria. So they say, okay, so I don't think oneness.
But why you
Because I
never
don't
claim the
expect-
spontaneity more for the body?
Apart from the fact that I have to keep it for a year, I just feel that let me just leave it, just to encourage other people. Because a lot of competitions they're not going to give you anything.
Yes.
Even overboard, they
Yes.
just leave it like that. But
Yes.
then this is, I mean,
Nah,
I think about
yeah.
kept to his word, everything, you know. So my plans, I've got, I mean, different things are coming out. But then what I want to do is what nobody has done in Nigeria. And it says what I want to do. So once I do one, where nobody don't do, people go rush them. You know the way this. When you start your Instagram, you see the crowd. So once I do that kind of thing, I leave it. I have like 5, you know, but they are coming out from next year.
Okay.
This year basically is just for acquiring knowledge, and then we shoot next year. So you will definitely know about it.
So that thing don't change your, this spontaneity, you're saying that it don't change your life.
Yeah, it don't help me.
Okay.
It don't help me. You know, it don't help.
Because some
me.
people know it's how we use the platform. If it's-
Exactly,
if it's-
exactly.
Yeah.
Anyway, for those who are following on top of Instagram or on your social media handles, what's your handle?
Comedian D1, comedian then DEEONE on
One word.
all the one word, or you
Comedian
can
D1, one word.
yeah, one word on Instagram. On Facebook is comedian, then D1, the D1 and one word DEEONE.
What's be your surname?
Aderombi.
Aterambe.
Aterambe. I saw the comedy. You sabi?
But they even try to get a day on
Aterambe.
That girl, how that yellow girl they call you?
Which one?
That one, eh?
Which one? What if my girlfriend na black?
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.